We love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another round of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This whole month we're teaching you a term that's called nearby, 附近. So let's teach you that first. 怎么说？
附近。
附近. Okay, 附近, that means nearby. Now, normally we ask for directions or ask, what restaurant is nearby. Sometimes, and especially recently, I'm seeing a lot of stray cats and dogs on the streets and in the park. 最近常常看到我家公园附近都有流浪猫。
真的哦？那你去领养啊？
我其实猫狗都非常爱，
因为你太寂寞了。
对，但是比较长期不在家嘛，所以猫会比较好照顾，它也比较不会 lonely. Let's say we want to go to the nearby park to adopt some of these stray cats, and let's put you in this scenario, okay? 公园附近有好多流浪猫. There are a lot of stray cats at the nearby park.
公園附近。
公園附近。
有動到。
有動到。
野貓誒。
哦，野貓誒。That means stray cats. Okay. 很多人其實都有去領養哦，所以等一下也去領養一隻回家好了 ，okay? There are a lot of people who went to adopt them. 很多人去領養。
動到人去。
動到人去。
兩來畜哦。
兩來畜哦。Okay, 畜是在養的意思嗎？ Okay, that means to raise, like raise a kid or raise a cat here. But 兩來。
兩來就是領來養咯。
哦，領來 okay, to go and adopt and raise it all together. That's a very good term right there, 哈，兩來畜哦。Okay, that means to go and adopt this cat. 对啊，我也好想抱一隻回家。I really want to go, 抱其實是 hug. I want to go hug one and bring it home and raise the cat, okay?
愛咩東西？
愛咩東西？
攬一隻。
攬一隻。
轉不下。
轉不下。轉不下。
回家。
回家。哦，有教過呀。Means to go home, to bring home. But 我要抱一隻是什麼？
攬一隻。
哦，
攬抱啊。
Okay, 攬一隻 means to hug and to bring one home. It's a very cute and delicate term to use, meaning that you're going to go adopt and bring that cat home. I like that. But it literally means to hug, 抱就是攬 alright? Very good. 其實真的大家不要養了又丟棄，每次看到這些流浪貓狗就會覺得很生氣。那希望大家要多多發揮愛心 okay? Let's review some of these terms, such as a stray cat, 流浪貓。
野貓誒。
野貓誒 okay? The park, 公園。
公園。
公園 and to hug, 要抱。
攬。
Okay, that's how you say it. And it's all about the term nearby, which is 附近。
附近。
附近 And there you have it. That is today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
按字 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.